Hey dwellers, Tails Knight here, and today we have the regular shipment of Fallout Crate, which is I'm actually surprised it arrived on time. And I'm pretty excited about this one. I don't know why, but I have a feeling that this crate's gonna be a good crate. Yeah, this crate's gonna be a good crate. I feel it. Woo! Yes, we got the crate number 13 Explorer. And it comes with a Vault-Tec shirt. Yes. Oh, the whole theme is Explorer. See, we got a little compass. Shows the degrees. I thought this would be the Build-A-Figure, but no. We get a full Nukatron, which I'm actually more excited about this entire crate. The inside of this crate is just yellow. With all the various perks. And then lastly we have the Camp Cup. Let's see what this is, guys, since they don't have a checkoff sheet anymore. Oh, come on. Real merch. Look at that. Department of the Interior, West Virginia Park Service. Okay. Is that? Yeah, I think it's metal, not ceramic. Metal. Dang. I felt the content of this one was slightly limited. The anticipation didn't exist. But guys, look at that. We got a Nukatron. Please deliver Nuka-Cola. Yeah, it's not even a Build-A-Figure. It has its own little vault stand like the normal Build-A-Figures have. Unless I add parts onto them over the year. And yeah, we already looked at this, but the Explorer perk pin. Oh, okay, it's not just a compass. It has numerous arrows and degrees of navigation. This whole thing, see? So it's both a compass and a guide. Nice. Alright, well, let's check out the shirt. Oh, that fabric. It's a long sleeve shirt, which I have strangely taken up wearing lately. Vault 101. At least they're kicking it over. Why did I have to go and have to find you, Father? Why did I have to make this journey? Why did Mother die purifying the water? Okay, I'm over it. And yeah, that was today's crate. I could see some of the renovations and changes they talked about making with the system and the style. And I can say I'm actually satisfied. Because I haven't built my Build-A-Figure yet. I'm going to in one of these upcoming streams. But the power armor does not stand on his stand. It leans. Like, I've had to reposition him like 6 times and change it. Like, even one time I had to put like a couple folded papers just so the plate was angled so he'd just stay up. But yeah, that is today's review for Fallout Crate number 13. I hope you all stay tuned. And keep it alive out there. Don't stay irradiated. Tails Knight, over and out.